What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the differential fluid on your ATV or side-by-side. Process is going to be real similar for a lot of different brands, makes and models. Whichever one you have, it's going to be a similar process. This is on an Arctic Cat 550, which is the same as 700s, so let's get to it. Right here at the back of the ATV where your axles connect is your differential right here. Down on the bottom of that you will have a drain plug. Mine is right down here, and there is an opening in the skid plate for that to drain out. Get yourself a drain pan underneath there. This one has an 8mm drain bolt on it, and it should have a magnet on your drain plug. That's going to catch any metal fragments from in your differential. Go ahead and pull that and get it started draining. Now this has a magnet on the end. You can see there's probably going to be some metal shavings on there, so wipe that off clean before you put that back in. We have a bit of metal shavings in there, a little bit's normal. Your differential's got those gears in there that are going to be working together, and there's going to be some metal shavings from that. It's good to keep this differential fluid changed. Alright, that magnet's all cleaned off there. Alright, the oil's draining down there. I'm going to go ahead and pull the fill level plug and our cap, our fill cap here. Pull those, clean those up. Now it may take a while for the oil to all drain out there. It's just a little 8mm hole down there, so it's going to take a while for that oil to drain out of there. You can see that oil, it is kind of dirty. On this particular ATV, we're going to change out the differential fluid. It says every 2 years or every 2,000 miles. If you ride more, or if you ride through water and stuff, you're probably going to want to change your differential fluids a little more often. On this particular model, we're looking at that 2,000 mile mark. I would say if you want it to be running good and everything, I would probably keep maintenance up a little bit more than that, maybe 1,000 miles or once a year. Just because I ride a whole bunch more, I would tend to want to keep my fluids changed a little more, keep it running smooth. Clean oil in there is going to be good for the machine. Just gotta wait for all that to drain out. Alright, gonna give you just a little tip here while that's draining in the back. When you switch into 4-wheel drive and it makes like a spinning grinding sound up in the front, then if you don't turn the handlebars first, then it makes that little grinding noise. What I found that to be is just low gear oil in the differential. So I changed it out, filled it up. This was a few years ago. It was doing that when I'd switch into 4-wheel drive, making that noise. And so filled it up with new oil, got to the right level, and it hasn't been making that noise since. So just making sure you've got the right amount of oil and good clean oil in there. Keep it running smooth. Alright, that stopped dripping there, so we can stick our drain plug back in there. Now on this ATV, this is a Arctic Cat Altera 550 and 700 models. The rear diff capacity here is 8.5 ounces, and the front differential capacity is at 9.3 ounces. But really all you have to do is pull that level plug. Then we're going to fill this up until it starts coming out that level plug. Then just let it drain out until that stops draining. Put our plugs back in and we're good to go. You don't really have to measure with that level plug. You got our oil. Recommended for this machine is 80-90 gear oil. We're just going to fill it up until it starts coming out that level plug. There, we've got it coming out the end. On the tip of the bottle, I just got like a 12-inch piece of tubing and fit that in there easier than stuffing the bottle in there. It won't really fit in here past the suspension. So just get like a foot-long piece of rubber tubing, and that'll allow you to get your oil in there a lot easier. Or you can use a transfer pump. Then you can get it in there, tilt your bottle up and just squeeze the bottle. It'll fill it up in there until it starts coming out that level plug. Alright, there we go. Alright, once your level plug stops draining, wipe it off, just check it again, and then you can stick your level plug back in there. Clean up any oil around that level plug, screw your caps back in, snug them back down to their torque specifications. You don't want to over tighten these plugs because you are just going into an aluminum differential case. You don't want to over tighten those and risk snapping off your threads inside there or stripping out the aluminum. Alright, then once everything is back in, you're good to go. Got your plugs all back in there, you've got your differential fluid to the right level, and you should be good to go. Just take it for a ride. So that is how to replace the differential fluid on your ATVs. Same for side-by-sides, pretty similar procedure. Hope this video helps you out. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.